Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia. So today's look is actually the look that I did for Thanksgiving this year, so I thought I would show you how I achieved it. It's a really pretty pink shimmery makeup tutorial. So as you can see, my brows and lids are already set, and now I'm just taking that pretty pink shade from the James Charles palette and blending it all over my lids as part of my transition shade. From there, I hopped back into the palette and grabbed this pink shimmer shade. So the first shade I used is matte and this one is shimmer, and I'm just patting that all over my lid. I really wanted to build up the color so that the shimmer would just be a really pow and pigmented part of my look. From there, I grabbed this matte black shade, and now I'm just going to place it on the outer corner of my eyes just to kind of smoke out the look a bit. I did struggle with this. Black is really hard to blend because there is like a huge chance that you can make it look like you've got a black eye, but I just gave it the best effort I possibly could give it. But yeah, this was not this was not easy. So now at this point, I'm just making sure that all the colors blend together. I'm not really adding any additional pigment to any of my brushes. I just want to make sure that everything blends out smoothly. To add some brightness on my lids, I took another pink shade from the palette. This is the lightest pink shade in the entire palette, and I'm just patting that on the middle of my lid, keeping it right in the middle just to kind of add some brightness to it. I added a wing and I applied my lashes off camera, but my lashes are the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and now I'm just priming my skin with my Becca Backlight priming filter before moving on to foundation. The foundation I used is my Bobbi Brown stick foundation. I am in the shade Warm Almond, and I'm just putting that all over my skin before blending it out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. For my concealer, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to place that all over the areas of my face I want to highlight before blending that out. To set my concealer, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana and just blending that out all over my skin. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my favorite powder foundation. This is my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm blending that all over my skin. Moving on to bronzer, I'm using my one and only, this is the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, and I'm going to blend that out on a Morphe brush over the areas that I really want to cut my cheeks and add a bit of contour to them, because I'm not doing cream contour this time. And then for my blush, this is my So Rosy, or my, oh my gosh, what's it called? Oh my gosh, e.l.f. Cosmetics blush in the shade So Rosy. For my highlight, I'm using my Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter because I'm trying to blind my relatives this holiday season with my highlight. It's only fair, and I'm just putting that all over my cheeks and my nose, and I think, yeah, in the side of my forehead. finish up my lower lash line, I'm going back in with the first shade I use as part of my transition, and I'm just blending that out all down my lower lash line to I want to take it as low as I could. I didn't want it to be too clean of a line. From there, I grabbed that black shade again and used it to smoke out my lower lash line with a thinner brush. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush collection, just to kind of smoke up my lower lash line before I put on some eyeliner. I don't even think I added eyeliner in this look. I have to remember. I did not add eyeliner. I stopped right after this, after smoking it out. So now for my lips, I'm finishing it up with some, I think it's called like Blushing Pink or Luscious Pout, something like that, but it's from Maybelline. I'll put it down below. And then I'm setting my skin with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I loved it. No one complimented me on it at Thanksgiving, but I know they loved it. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!